What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Gorn. You see that? G-O-R-N. Gorn. And we are playing the custom. And this is my first video of Gorn. Yeah, this is my first video of Gorn. So, what is that? Alright. This is my first video of Gorn. What the heck? What is this? That would look good right there. First video of Gorn. Alright. Room tour. Boom, my bed's right there. Yep. Alright, hopefully y'all seen that. I don't know. But nunchucks, I hate those. Alright, go down. Hey, we are playing. Which one are we playing today? Sort of flight mode? What is that? Alright. So, we should just mess around with the controls. Head size, that should be mine. Gravity, 0, 1. Alright. Knock scale, I don't know what that means. Damage scale, I don't know what that means. Game speed, 1.5, that has to be fast. Player size, 3, huh? I don't know. But we will be playing Crab today. Okay, guys? Crab. Oh, I just hit my leg on my bed frame. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Me is none, so I will take it. Alright, so that is it. That is what we're doing. Sort of flight mode. I wonder what that is. Let's go, baby.
Take up your weapon and
oh my
salute.
God, I'm humongous. Oh my God. How did it? I tried to move forward. Oh my God, this is gonna take forever. You're next, buddy. Oh my God, how do you control this? Oh my God. Bro, look at his head. Oh my God, I've never played custom before. My cousin was on this game, and I think she put it on. I want to pick you up. Oh my God, these things are humongous. Oh, bro, just hopped off. What the? Dude. Oh my God, what is happening? Bro did a full. Hold on, I'm trying to save you, bro, but you won't let me. Oh, well, you're already dead, anyways. Oh, I figured out how to control it. Yep. You can call me Mr. Krabs. Me money. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at his foot. Oh. Okay, that makes me did. What? Dang, biggest forehead in the world, bruh. Jesus, what happened to you? Lucas? Is that you? From Stranger Things? Past until she brought me left down. If you how you dare come near me. Hey, I wanna play golf? I love how they go flying. Wait, can I touch you? Oh no way. No way. Oh, come on. What the hell? What the helicopter? Ah, oh, is that a rock? What the heck? Past on Doji Brahmin left outside. Come on, left. I need you right now. Oh my god. There we go. Jesus. My left leg. I thought you were dead. Imagine. Oh. Okay, I do not like this at all. Maybe I do. How are you still alive? There you go. Jesus, that man was alive for like... What the f... I just went up to somebody's thighs. They have some good thigh muscles. What do you lift? How? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Get kicked. Oh, I landed. Why can't I not pick you up? Past the door, she probably left outside. To be honest, that song is really chilling. How are you still up? Helicopter. Yeah, someone got the joke up there. You act like that's when it do something to me. What? I can grab people now. Why can I not? Something's wrong with this game. Yes, kill me so I can leave. What? Hold up. Do you have a what? Oh my god, I just fell. One. Please kill me. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you're a real one. Alright. That was horrible. Alright. Excuse me. I wonder what this is. I'm just using my left hand just in case. That's what she's. What? Let me just
take up your weapon and salute.
Oh my god, I can fly. Really, that does nothing, so let's go back. I rate this 0 because I don't even know how to control it. Like, do I just helicopter? Hey, I can pick you up now. Oh my god, that's so annoying. That's gonna get annoying. It's about drive. It's about power. We stay hungry. We devour. Put it to work. Like, huh? Middle finger attack. Alright. What the heck just happened? Y'all seen that, right? How do you even point without the middle finger going up? Can I be Spider-Man? There's no way I could be Spider-Man. Like, hold on, let me change my size to normal. Alright. Head size, normal. Game speed, I hate how slow it is. So we are doing that. Alright. Knock skill. I ain't sure what that is. Enemy armor. Head size. 101. 1.1. And I should be normal. Oh, I'm about to have fun. I'm about to. No. You took my gun away. I take your face away. Oh. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. I rate. Alright, so for the crab claws, I'm gonna go 4 out of 10. Because they're kind of fun, but they're not fun. Alright, that flying thing is 0 out of 10 because you can't control it. I forgot to set the gravity. How's it going? I just saved your life, boys, so don't even try to hit me. Oh my god, I thought I just fell. What did I tell you? No, come here. No, come here. Yes, sir? Come back for part 2, guys. My papa's calling me. Alright, come. Hold on.